Tuesday, October 22nd edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Pretty complex weather setup for today. The result, a chilly, rainy setup as we go through today and on into tonight. I'll give you all the details in just a second. Here's the time-lapse imagery from the Dowd YMCA camera looking toward uptown Charlotte yesterday. And a lot of cloud cover, a little bit of light rain at times yesterday, and that cloud cover only thickened and lowered as we got through the night. Pretty wet night last night, and we have rain continuing really for the majority of the day today and on into tonight as well. More on that in a moment. Here's your fall photos of the day. There is the posting from yesterday from our friends up at Grandfather Mountain. That's the Linville Falls Visitor Center. Beautiful shot there from Skip Sickler. And here's a photo. Thought this was neat. This is a sundog there up in the cirrus clouds earlier this week from the campus of NC State. Beth Hawkins sending that picture in. Pretty neat stuff. And we want to continue to see your fall and weather-related photos. Email us, ncweather@twcnews.com. Temperatures are certainly on the cool side this morning, and what you see over the Piedmont and the foothills, the mountains, that's pretty much what you're going to get as we go through the day. Northeasterly winds are in place, and that's going to continue to keep temperatures on the cool side with really this cold air damming set up in place with this northeasterly flow we have. You'll see very little temperature movement in those cold air damming areas for today. There's the radar as we've gone through the night. Mainly some light rain rolling through the area. I'll highlight a few areas. There's a look toward the northwest Piedmont and the northern foothills. Just some light rain continuing out there. Same deal as you get on down toward central sections of North Carolina. Down into the upstate of South Carolina, kind of some scattered showers developing. Let me span the radar view out. You have this initial band that's been moving through, and what we'll see happen is overall just this area down here will continue to blossom and expand in coverage, and that's going to set us up for a very wet weather day. Expansive system all the way back into the northern parts of Arkansas, the lower Mississippi Valley, down into the Gulf Coast region. Pretty expansive storm system. All right, so all this is being driven by that big area of low pressure there over the lower Mississippi Valley, and that's largely made up of what was once that big hurricane, Hurricane Patricia, in the eastern Pacific Ocean. So here in the Carolinas, we're on the cool side of this boundary, this northeasterly flow, certainly keeping things very, very cool for today. Rain at times today and tonight. There's the high resolution modeling, that rain a fixture across the region, kind of a washout type of day for much of the region. Rain totals here pretty generous. Could see 1 to 2 inches of rain before all is said and done this week. Maybe some locally higher amounts as well here and there. Pretty good soaker. Temperatures certainly on the cool side in the Piedmont, the damming areas. Now you get closer to the coast, that's where temperatures will be milder today. Temperatures steady or slowly climbing tonight, and it should be much milder tomorrow. That warm front lifts through, so more of a milder setup across the Carolinas tomorrow. And as that cold front works in, just enough instability out there that with temperatures shaping up like that for highs, that you could have a couple of strong to severe storms. You have a marginal risk of severe weather for much of the Carolinas. Something to keep an eye on. Kind of a low-end wind threat tomorrow that we'll monitor. Much drier weather settles in for Thursday, though. High pressure builds in. That'll give us great weather Thursday, Friday, and Saturday as well. Your highs on Thursday look like that. I think as we get into Friday, it'll be a little cooler. Some highs in the 60s. Same deal with Saturday, lows in the 40s. Clouds increase Sunday. I can't rule out some rain Sunday, but I'll play it optimistic, and for the time being, I'll hold the rain off until Monday. And we'll just have to continue to evaluate that as we move forward. Tropics, very quiet in the Atlantic Basin, Gulf, Caribbean, Western Atlantic. No sign of any troubles. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everybody stay dry, have a great day, and God bless.